I want to tell you as an artist chasing a career how to make people into your fans in 2 minutes, because it's silly obvious when it's explained this way, and all I'm selling is subscriptions to this YouTube channel, because here I talk about artist psychology for artists in pursuit of a career. As an artist or content creator of any kind, to get fans, what you need is the same thing that you use to build relationships in real life. You need to earn people's trust, and you do that by showing them more about who you are so they can determine if you are their type of person. And if you are, they trust you. And if you're not, they don't, and they move on to someone else. So as an artist mentor, and content creator myself, if I were going to earn your trust, I suppose I would first try to disarm you by showing you this picture of me from grade 9 when Kelly Levesque asked to brush my hair for the school picture, and I said yes because she was just so delighted by the amount of frizz. And then I might try to create vulnerability with you by telling you that on that same picture day, with that same hair, my grade 9 basketball team played our first ever televised game, and I scored on my own net off a very intense rebound. And the entire audience laughed at me, and I screamed at all of them to shut up, and I'm still traumatized by that. And then I might try to gain credibility with you as a person whose content is worth consuming by showing you a quick montage video of my music videos and talks and creative things of past and present, and then I'd let you know that primarily I'm a producer and a songwriter and a singer, and then I'd show you some of that. Then I tell you that as a musician, I've been on stage almost 1,000 times, and that I've had 600 heart-to-heart conversations with artists as a performance coach and artist mentor about fear and overwhelming doubt and uncertainty and overthinking and obsessive self-judgment, and that I also teach these things as performance coach for 2 of Canada's best artist development programs, Canada's Music Incubators Artist Entrepreneur Program and the JUNO Master Class. And now that we've made it this far, I might try to challenge you about me, knowing that it will endear some of you more to me and will drive some of you completely away by sharing something personal and somewhat controversial. So now if you're still watching, I would feel comfortable enough to show you my family of 3 rescue animals, Bijou Tumbleweed, Go-Go Magnetic, Tibby Panic, and my genius artist wife, Gawn Birdie, who I do everything creative with, including take these cool pictures. And finally, I would tell you that I have a serious problem with authority, which is why I'm an artist. And I once rage applied for a job at Toyota because I was so sick of people telling me that being an artist wasn't a viable career choice. So I got the job on the spot with no resume, and then quit almost immediately because the only point really was to prove to people that getting a job both sucks and is easy. And now I'm an artist and a performance coach specializing in artist and stage psychology, and that's what I talk about on this channel. The fear, the overwhelm, the isolation, the uncertainty, the emotional part of being an artist in pursuit of a career, the secret struggle. If you're an artist, hi, I'm Luth. This is my channel. I talk to artists about the secret emotional struggle we are all going through in pursuit of a career. And if I have earned your trust today, sub to this channel and let's continue this conversation. Run more and more. Sell more.
We are all artists when we choose to share and risk rejection for the chance at connection. The chance at making it, whatever making it means to you.